ina-expect namin sa Token Text ngayon, syempre, magpiplay sila ng, bibigay nila yung best nila ngayong season na to kasi may mga games sila last season na na nabigo sila sa laban nila sa ibang teams.
Token Text opens its bid for a third straight Philippine Cup crown against sister team Meralco Bolts without its new coach Norman Black, who is taking over for Coach Chot Reyes. Coach Chot Reyes steps down as head coach of the Texters and is concentrating on Smart Gilas Pilipinas 2.0 after recently steering them to a championship in the Jones Cup. Coach Norman, on the other hand, has his hands full as he is committed to finish his assignment with the Ateneo Blue Eagles, whom he hopes to lead to a 5th straight championship in the UAAP. Temporarily calling the shots for the Texters is his longtime assistant, Coach Nash Rosella.
Well, obviously, we're still a work in progress. We don't have all of our players yet. Our captain ball is still injured. Our head coach is still working with another team. But it's the start of the new year. It's the start of the season. We're here again to defend our title, to actually regain it a third straight time. So we're going to go out there and just have fun and continue to work. We don't have any rookies yet. We only have John Ferriols, who's coming back to Token Text after 6 years. And we also have Emer Oreta, who's really been on our team the last 2 years. Aside from them, we have the team intact. Japet is still in the States trying out with some NBA teams. But hopefully he'll be back soon.
Hindi natin masasabi, marami ding malakas na team, pero yung Token Text kasi may may play, gamay na nila yung bawat pasahan nila. Wag lang sila masyadong kumpiyansa, pero kaya nila yan.
Token Text hammered the Bolts with a 7-0 run, causing Ryan Gregorio to call a quick timeout in the first canto.
Siguro ganun pa din kasi champion sila lagi. Siguro may mga pagbabago lang sa settings na sa pagmamanage ni Coach Nas Nacela kasi nga first time natin siya makikita mag-coach, pero looking forward pa rin na mag-champion pa rin sila.
The Texters went on to post their biggest lead at 24 points, 86-62 over the Bolts after a basket by Fonasher with 1 minute 15 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Tingin ko, batak naman sa practice yung Meralco Bolts. Problema lang, medyo minamalas lang sa shooting. Swerte lang naman yung kabila. Lahat ng bitaw pumapasok naman. Pero paparehas yan, lalaban yan ng Bolts.
The Bolts regained their composure by pulling down offensive rebounds and turning them into gold in the fourth. The Bolts continued to jolt the Texters and sent the game to overtime on a J.R. Reyes layup off an assist from Mercado, making it 99 all with 3.1 remaining in the game.
I hope Meralco will make it to the finals.
Mercado steals off the Ocampo at the sound of the buzzer.
Medyo maganda ngayon ang laban ng Bolts itong season na to. Tingin ko may yung mga player naman may harmonious naman sila nag-uusap-usap. Medyo maganda laban nila ngayon.
In overtime, the Texters let go of their bombs with triples from Jason Castro and Jared Dillinger as the Bolts continued to miss from the line. Mercado answers back with a triple and Buenafe makes good on his free throw after the Texas bench was called for improper bench decorum to tie the score at 110 with 14 seconds left.
Lahat ng bagong player, siyempre lahat yan, ibigay nila yung lahat ng skills at knowledge nila sa game para may panalo ng team nila yung mga laro ngayong season na to.
Fuente fouls Castro and the Blur makes good on his free throws. Mercado had a chance to send the game to another overtime or win it for the Bolts, but failed to dish off a pass as the final buzzer is heard in the background.
Sa bagong coach, siyempre, nandun din siyempre yung passion niya sa game, di ba? So, ang ibibigay niyang mga turo sa mga players niya, siyempre, expect natin yung the best para sa kanilang lahat.
Thankful lang because we won the game. So, in the end, ang objective naman namin really was just to get a W. So, we got it in the end by 2 points. Then it's a win.
It was a good team win, you know. Everyone played really well and gave a good team effort. You know, at the end when we needed stops, you know, guys came through. Larry, Jason, they really made some really key defensive stops at the end. But you know, we can't take that game. We can't accept it because you know we're up by 24 and we just got to go back to practice and get back to work. JR gave me a little bump to know how it is back in the PBA. You know, in FIBA, they call pretty much every foul, and as you can tell from this game, you know, it's back to PBA style. So I just got to be more prepared when he comes back with those big screens.